Okay, tribe, let's start with the tomatoes because this one has been giving me a lot of heartache in the last couple of days. So these are my tomatoes. As you can see, very healthy tomatoes. Finally figured out how to grow tomatoes. But then recently, I've been having issues with some kind of animal, some kind of pest coming out at night and eating my tomatoes. I call that pest a tomato thief. It's reaping where it did not sow. So after a lot of suggestions from some of you all, I decided to buy these protection, I guess fruit protection bags, and I wrapped it around the tomatoes, which prevented the animal from eating the tomatoes, but then it was fighting so hard with the tomatoes that it broke a couple of the vines. So that's where we are with the tomatoes. I almost gave up, but I've been encouraged not to give up. I've been reminded that the reason why we garden is to be one with nature, and sometimes nature just wants to eat as well. So it's fine. It's fine. But yeah, guys, these are my tomatoes, doing so well. And this is the trellis system. Somebody asked me to show my trellis system. One of you wanted to see my trellis system. So here we go. Hopefully you can see. So what I did was I got these stakes from, I think, Home Depot, the very big ones. And then I drove the stakes into the ground in the form of a triangle. I used the twine to secure it. I don't know if you can see, like so. So I did that for every tomato plant. And then I used another stake to put across just like so and held it together with a twine. So I have this structure. Just take a look. I hope it makes sense. I'm going to try to show you how it looks like. That's how I built an affordable trellis system for my tomatoes. Oh my goodness, guys. They came for more of my tomatoes. This is just not happening. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. We're not going to do this. We're not fixing to do this. Okay, tribe, so this is what I've decided to do. I don't know if it's gonna work to try and save the tomatoes from whatever animal. I don't know now if it's garden rats, mice, or groundhog, or squirrels. I don't know what it is, but I've grabbed some grocery store bags and I'm tying up the tomatoes. Hopefully that helps. We'll find out in the morning. Okay, tribe, the tomato saga continues. The story has not ended. Now look, I'm sure the animal came at night. I was trying to get to the tomatoes. It couldn't get to it and it broke this one. Okay, so this one is on the ground, and then look, this branch right here is also broken. You see that? I am sure it was trying to get to the tomatoes, but because it couldn't get to it, it probably pulled it so hard, it yanked the stem, and now this is what we have. This is just not even right. This is not right. I'm about to give up on growing tomatoes. I'm about to give up on growing tomatoes. Okay, tribe, we have some ripe tomatoes. We have a couple of ripe tomatoes finally. So I'm going to be harvesting some today. I'm going to be harvesting some of the tomatoes today.